Well met, explorers. Welcome to the Kingdom Quest series, Experience to Level. We will explore how to level in our faith and find ways to connect with God. There is no one-size-fits-all formula because God knows us well enough to offer ways that speak to each of us. If you feel something's missing, the tutorial guide Introduction to Faith might be able to help. Through the NIV Student Bible, we are going to look at the main points of each book of the Old and New Testament over the next several weeks. At level 8, we find lore and poems which explore tragedy, emotions, wisdom, despair, and romance. Almost 1/3 of the Old Testament was originally written in poetry. These books concentrate on questions about pain, God, life, and love. Job, the best man of his day, suffered the greatest personal tragedy. The entire book deals with the question, why? Psalms, these prayers and hymns cover the full range of human emotion. Together, they represent a personal journey of how to relate to God. Proverbs. The Proverbs offer advice on every imaginable area of life. The style of wise living described here leads to a fulfilled life. Ecclesiastes. This teacher shares how the things of the world are empty and life is uncertain and temporary. He encourages us to trust God in all things. Song of Songs. This beautiful poem celebrates romantic and physical love. As the Holy Spirit guides us in each solo daily and weekly quest along our path, we discover more by reading the Bible and praying every day. Let me know which book has caught your attention in the comments. As we seek the kingdom and share this quest, each and every one of you are always welcome. Thank you so much for taking the time to listen as we explore this journey together.